What is up, guys? Top of the morning to you. Today we're back with another video. You guys often ask, what do I do to keep your boy T'Challa so shiny? Well, today we're gonna show you on the boy Stark over there. All right. Yes, we named the truck Stark in loving memory. All right. Spoiler alert. In loving memory of Tony Stark. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all the stuff together, get everything set up, and then we're gonna go to work. I'm gonna show you what I use to wash it with, what I use to wax. Well, I use a spray wax. I don't use an actual like wax like buff on buff off, you know, that whole Mr. Miyagi. But well, technically it is like the Mr. Yeah, you catch my drift. So yeah, I'm gonna get everything set up and then we're gonna get back together. Mama Vape is gonna be out here helping. She's gonna be doing some filming and she's gonna be doing some, I guess, cleaning with your boys. So we'll get back with you guys once we get everything set up. Hey guys, we are back and here are the products that I use on a normal basis to wash T'Challa, and now what I will be using to wash Stark. All right, we got the car wash and wax from Under Armour. From Armor All Ultra Shine. This is what I use to wash. For the tires, I use Meguiar's Endurance tire gel. And then as far as the spray wax, all right, I use 2 spray waxes. For this situation, although the car is about to be clean, since it's the first wash that I've done, I'm gonna use the Hybrid Solutions Turtle Wax Ceramic 3-in-1 detailer. All right, technically this is a wash and wax, and what else does it do? A sealant. It pretty much keeps water from like staying on the car to make it run off easier. So I'm going to use that this time, even though we're about to wash the car. But normally you would use that like after maybe a week or 2 of driving and you don't feel like actually washing it, so you just want to like quick spray wax it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're about to get to the, well, Mama Vape's over here already sweeping out the back of the truck, getting all this old dirty dirt out and stinking water. Just please don't break that tag. I said please don't break that tag. All right, we'll get back with you. We're about to do the pre-rinse. I'll have the camera with me as we do the pre-rinse, you know, try to knock off some of the loose dirt. And then for the suds, unfortunately I was gonna buy pressure washer this weekend, one of the cheap ones, the little $100 ones that's like 1600 psi or whatever, and like what 1.6 gallons per minute or something like that. But yeah, the way funds was set up this weekend, stuff happened. So yeah, I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right guys, this is a quick rundown. This is the before of the truck. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna do a quick before.
Yeah, you can see it.
All right, first thing you want to do when you try to get your car right, you're gonna go ahead and make sure you spray off all the loose dirt. So you just want to do a quick pre-rinse, go around the whole car, truck, vehicle, van, SUV, whatever you're using. You just do a quick. It'll work a lot better if I had a pressure washer because it'll knock off a lot of this old pollen that's like pretty much stuck to the car or to the truck. So yeah, we're gonna spray off the whole car. Oh, these rims are horrible. We're gonna spray off the whole car, and then we'll get back with you. All right. So the next thing you want to do, make sure you get some good suds on there for good lubrication to keep from scratching your paint. On this car, right now, I really ain't thinking about the paint scratching situation. But like on T'Challa, normally I would use a bucket method and literally wash it a section and then use the other bucket with nothing but water to, I just threw that on my leg. I would use a second bucket to get off any of like the loose dirt that might have got caught in the sponge or whatever you want to call it. The car loofah. So, yep, this is pretty much all you do. A panel at a time. Make sure you don't let your soap dry. I just threw it on my leg again. And that'll be pretty much it. Normally, you don't want to go over the same spot over and over again because all you're doing is rubbing in dirt. So you want to make sure you're doing like one swipe or like just to click down like this and back up. But you don't want to keep going over the same spot because you'll be rubbing in dirt and scratching the paint.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me.
So what I like to use for my tires, all right? And I've seen a lot of people do it before and I was like, I'm not gonna do that, but I tried it and loved it, is LA's Totally Awesome, all right? Literally just spray it on. Count about 20. Not even 20, about 15. And you get your little scrub brush. I don't even want to use my towel on this to dry. That's it. Alright, that's long enough. Take that scrub brush and get to work. Alright. And you just want to knock them rims off real quick too while you at it. Oh, we about to lose this little cap. It's cracking. Go through little tension rims here. Make sure you hit your little hubbies. And, oh, it's not. It's cracked, but it's not going to fall. Alright. Then you just want to rinse it off. Watch this, don't look like me. Yeah. Look at them white leather. Look at them white leather. Unfortunately, the rims on this car are shot. They're starting to rust. Definitely gonna have to get some new ones because that water that's coming right there is eating through it. But guys, we're about to dry the car off and then we're going to the wax. We'll get back with y'all in a few. Alright guys, now that the car is almost fully dry, the next thing we're putting on is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic 3-in-1 Detailer. Alright, so the way you want to apply this. So now the way you want to apply this is you literally want to spray it on, wipe it off with a dry rag, and then, well, kind of rub it in with a dry rag, and then after that, you want to buff it off with another dry rag and make sure it's fully off because your first rag is going to start soaking up some of the turtle wax and then it'll start smearing. So you just want to spray it on. And I'm going to show y'all something with this too. Something pretty cool. It's how you know it's working. So you literally want to kind of rub it in. Oh, this is gonna be a breeze on this color. It's just horrible on black. But this color. Rig it in. Once you got it all in there, just want to flip over your towel. You can probably do this for the first couple of like panels. You're just flipping over the towel. And you just want to make sure you buff it on off. And if you start seeing smearing, just use a second towel. And a lot of times when the car is still wet, the vehicle's still wet, it'll look like it's smearing. Look at that shine though. Alright, so here's cool trick time, alright? I'm gonna show y'all something. This is first time I seen this, I was like, wow, I gotta get some of that stuff. Alright, here's a cool trick. See it here? Oh, it kinda slides. Kinda slides. It's slow, but surely it slides. Right there won't slide. We're gonna use that spot because it's not as inclined. Alright, so here we go. Spray a little bit on, rub it in, buff it off, and then boom, it ain't staying. That's how you know it's working. So we're gonna continue. We're gonna do all the panels on the car with this turtle wax, and we'll get back with y'all. All right, guys, for the windows, I like to use Rain-X 2-in-1, glass cleaner, and rain repellent. All right, works wonders. You just literally spray it on, rub it in, count to 3. By the time you turn the towel, wipe it off. And what this does is it repels the rain and cleans your windows all at the same time. All right, guys. Next we have the tires, which is the last thing I do on the car, adding tire shine. We use Meguiar's Endurance Tire Gel. Literally take a sponge, or you can get one of those tire sponge thingies, but I don't use that when I got sponges sitting around the house. And you just literally apply it onto your tire. All right. You can do 2 coats if you want it to really shine, but I'm only gonna do 1 coat all the way around the tire, and we're gonna call it a day. 1 coat, be good. All right, we good.
Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the whole truck again. This is Mama Vape.
This is the final product after the cleaning, the waxing, tire shine, the windows. We hit the windows with Rain-X. And yeah, this is the final product. Still not the best it could be. We're gonna wash it again eventually, of course. And next time we'll, try to make sure we catch everything else that we might have missed and or that just was a hassle. All right, guys, so these are the same steps that I take on Prince T'Challa over there, who is also due for another washing. I normally go doing these steps about 2 weeks with washing, and I go a whole month without waxing. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So if you like what you saw, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells. And as always, peace out, be safe, much love. Vape Nation, baby.